Hello and welcome to today's show where we will be doing all sorts of crazy nincompoop stuff and belligerence and fishmongering. Yes, that's what we do about what is your favorite color and what are you going to do today, you crazy loopy man. Right, today we're going to play my new game that I paid $1 for. Dark Forces for the DOS 6.2. What? There is no 6.2. What do you need? Windows 3.1? What's the minimum requirements? Hold the line, they didn't have them back then. Should be on the box. Here we go, it's on the box. Here it is on the box. You need a MS-DOS 5 or higher. You need a 486DX33 and a CD-ROM drive. Well, it's 2016. I don't have anything like that whatsoever. Whatever are we going to do? However, how on earth are we going to play this game? Well, we're going to download DOSBox. Are we? Ah, so you know what you're doing. You're not a crazy loon. No, we're going to download DOSBox. First of all, you have to load Cam Studio. Do you have it? I think so. Been running it for 100 years. Should have a copy of it somewhere. Right. Region. Are we still doing regions? Why don't you just do region window? See if that works today. Sometimes region window doesn't work. Sometimes the Smurfs are all hippos. Right. DOSBox. What do you got for us today, Hoopy Man? DOSBox, an x86 emulator with DOS. Why didn't you just click on downloads? Why do you have to go all over the place? Now you got to go to downloads here. I don't know. Windows, Win32 installer. You can install it for Fedora, Gentoo, Mac OS X, Debian, Solaris. Sounds awesome. Wow. I can't wait for this page to load. Your download will start shortly. 5, 4... Why don't you control J so you can at least see what's happening? Oh. Nothing's happening. Still nothing's happening. I shrunk the window a bit, but nothing's happening. Nope. Are you going to wait for all this transferring data from, transferring CM, data, iWeb? Oh, here we go. Save fill. 34 second, 33, 34 again. 38, hey, it's gone up, it's going up. Ah, my internet's in reverse. It doesn't go down in time, it goes up in time. 37, then all of a sudden it's going to go up again. Maybe not. Well, you can close that down. Yeah? But then people will see your amazing Zelda screen. Spy Hunter has detected it. Oh, poor Spy Hunter. Well, if you let me close it... Fucking... What is going on with Spy Hunter? I want to uninstall that crazy nut. Right, now I've lost... everything. Oh no, it did. It stopped it from downloading. Thanks, Spy Hunter, you rock. Yeah, you're the best program ever. How do you frickin' close Spy Hunter down? Ah, you can't go online and run Spy Hunter. You need a separate computer for Spy Hunter. failed. Oh, okay, so all you have to do is just... What's wrong with you? It's automatic. Started downloading it all over again. Bet your Spy Hunter will come up. You can't go online, I'm not going to let you. I own you. Lee Hart and Jason Hoyt, aren't they cool? Who are they? Oh, iHeartRadio. Okay. No, we don't want to save file. We've done that bit already. Close you. Close tabs. Clear downloads. Win32 installer, even though I've got a 64-bit OS, we'll do the Win32 install. Gonna vom. Yeah, we're gonna vom. We're gonna do an inst. Gee, I can't wait for it to load. I'm gonna hit the 2 gig before it loads. Sheepers. May have to stop Cam Studio and come back in 1 second. Do you want to open this object? Thanks, Spy Hunter, you suck. No wonder it takes forever to do anything on this machine. Oh, I don't care about your life. Thank you, bye. Just install my program, please. Next, next, next. Show details, blah, 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 blah. Completed, close. And that's it. Done. I'm going to stop it and come back in a sec. Is that for me? That's the next door neighbour. Alright. DOSBox, yay! What can I do with it? At the moment, absolutely nothing. So what are we going to do? We're going to load Windows 95. How do we do that? Go Control E. I think it's... try it this way. No, just make a folder called DOS. Like you used to. Oh man, I hate this new setup. Lee 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 dee 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 dee. Don't worry. OP will be on a DVD this afternoon once I've done this. Overpowered character, that's what it stands for. CD copy. CD copy. So you're going to try it straight away? Cam Studio is not recording. Can you record now? No. Cam Studio is not recording. Recording now. So if you open Notepad, image mount. Let's try this. IMG MOUNT A C DOS thanks a lot, see you, bye. Oh, there, you've got the folder open right there. Well, that sucks. I'm just gonna rename it 195 ISO. If it'll let me. Not responding. CDOS 195.ISO -T ISO. Now, bloody hell. I didn't think it would work. It's not going to work, is it? It didn't work. There's nothing happening. Nothing happening at all. Stopping Cam Studio 002. Okay, mount. Image IMG mount E as CDOS 195.ISO -T ISO. Okay, so go E CD 195 setup. Will it work? My mouse is flashing. I have no faith in this. I've never done it before. You still got to mute Audacity. Nothing's happening. Alright, it's worth a try. I did push enter, didn't I? Push enter there, push enter there. Stopping Cam Studio. Loading the DOSI box. CDOS. DOS. Right, let's try this one. Mount. Image mount E as C DOS. Whoops. W31.ISO. Could not extract drive geometry. Sheepers. Okay. I'm going to cheat. Extract to W31. Oh, okay, that's why it doesn't work. Back in a sec. Alright, so technically this doesn't have anything to do with Dark Forces because it's a DOS game, but we're going to load Windows 3.1 just for fun. And we're going to do a video about it. Are we? Yeah. So why is the camera facing in the wrong direction? I don't know. It's hard to tell these days. Mount C DOS. Is that how you do it? CD2 setup. Yeah, right. I know how to do this one. Setup is copying files. Wow. Stopping Cam Studio. Shouldn't have done that. Drawing a smaller box. I shouldn't have done that. Oh no, it's so hard to draw a box. Man, it's hard to draw a box. Welcome to having to draw boxes all day long. 49%. I remember back in the day when I used to do this from floppy disks. Name. My name will do. Continue. Oh no, help. Oh no, the mouse is all screwed up because I'm using Cam Studio. Oh, you can do it. Yeah, right. Just push the space bar. Mucking around all the time. WinTutor. Calendar. La 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 la. Used to take half an hour. Used to take half an hour off a floppy disk. Half an hour per disk. Done it yet? Done it yet? No printer. No. Gonna have to use the keyboard. Done. How on earth are we going to use the mouse? Oh, I don't know, dude. It's impossible. Run tutorial? I don't think so. Reboot. You think DOSBox itself reboots or what? I don't know. No, maybe you have to load DOSBox again. La 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 la. So this is when you... Oh, okay. Now I know why. Sorry. Now I know what all the hickledy-pickledy is about. You go user... Nicola Redmond, app data, local DOSBox, config, then you're not going to see that on the screen, are you? turn the font up? Maybe it was Mickey Mouse. Oh no, it takes half an hour for Notepad to change the font size. Wow, it must be a powerful program. The mouse is just sitting there spinning. Oh yeah. Going to quit Cam Studio any second now. Oh come on, seriously. Right. Font size 12. Right. So then you go Mount C as C DOS and then CD Windows and Win. Save that. Create a shortcut. Send to desktop for now. And restarting DOSBox. Restarting of DOSBox, a legal command. You are still on drive C. I knew that. Oh, let's have epileptics and nitty tubes. CDC, is it? It's only been a day since you did it last. Okay, C. Save that. Should be a reboot button for DOSBox. No, because if you get it right, you don't need to worry about that. See, now it's loading. Windows 3.1's loading. So for all those mad smurfs out there who can't, oh, the mouse sucks when you're using Cam Studio. I've lost the mouse. I can't record. I can't record. Crap. Oh, okay. No, see? You can't use the mouse and Cam Studio at the same time. I'm going to install Logos and then I'll show you that it's installed. I can't show you physically because Cam Studio sucks. Bye. For all you happy mutants out there who are living in trees and under hill, we're not going to do anything at all because you don't know where Logos is ever at all in any sense of direction. There it is, NES-DOS. So it's now going to go can you delete that and that and that? I'm sure you can. The reason we're doing this is to find out the bare minimum of what you need to insert software. So rename that 1. Load DOSBox. Move your camera so it can record the screen properly. Back in a sec. The answer to all my pebbles is fish. Now I'm not sure what the quality of this is gonna be like at all. But okay, so just go 1. Oh no, that's not how you do it. How do you install it? Okay, I've downloaded the wrong file. Sorry. We're having lots of hippies today. Delete that crap. Now DOSBox. Go. Agent ransack. And log make is what I called it. Not logos, there's log make. So we copy log make. Close down ransack. Call that 1. Righty ho. Load DOSBox. Push display. File manager. Logos install. CLBA. Yeah, why not? Nicola Redmond. G-O-M-M-E. Obviously I've installed the wrong program. Is this Logos? Yay! See Logos. All of it. Done. Nicola Redmondi. G-O-M-M-E. True Family Matters Ministries E. What does the E stand for? I don't know. Potatoes? Hats with kumaras on them? Blahiki font juice? Pushing display? Okay. Yeah. Don't care about you. Right, installing TenseMood and Voice. Why are you doing this when you've got eSword? Oh, for nostalgic purposes, for nostalgic reasons, and because I'm completely gaga, nutjob insane. I thought you're supposed to be using the microphone. I can't. You need. I'm buying a little microphone stand to put it on so I can. So Greek. Stephanus, eh? Now I know who Stephanus is, and Scrivener. Hey, I understand all this now. Oh, we'll have a closer look at Hebrew then. It's the BHS. Man, remember when this I used to have to install this off floppy disks? Did I do TenseMood and Voice? Yep, now we're doing the Atlas. Same name as mine, probably. T-O-M-M-E, True Family Matters Ministries E. What's the E stand for? Electronic. Every. Effervescence. English Shakespearean noodles. Yeah, that's it. Why is the camera all wrong? I don't know. Just turn it. Oh. No, we don't want to do surveys every now and then. So we can't load... What's wrong with you? No. Oh yeah. Before you install the fonts, go Preferences, save on exit, load on startup, quit. Help, main, file manager, fonts. So how do you install fonts on Windows 3.1? I don't know. Is there a fonts? Control panel, try that. Fonts, there we go. Add. There we go. 1. Fonts. True type. Select all. Copy fonts to Windows directory. Okay, add. There's paper. Does that do anything? ATM? No. Alright, done. Logos, and Hebrew. View Stephanos. You might want to go to oh man, Revelation. John. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was from the God, and God was the Word. Right, let's load Hebrew Tutor. Let's see if I can, eh? On Windows 3.1, who knows? Then Band in the Box coming up in a studio near you. Right, I've never done this before. Oh no. Oh, you should, yeah, it's okay. You can go exit Windows and then Z and then image mount. I've lost the text file now. Wrong one. E C click DOS / 95.iso -TISO. What did they do? Huh? '97 ISO. It's there. Oh, it's because I've called it 95 ISO. Ah, right. So E. Setup. Maybe you're supposed to run it from Windows. Yep. Okay, C Win. This is exciting. I've never done this before. It's like trying to use a mouse in DOSBox while Cam Studio is running. So I've now got an E drive, is that right? I have! I've got an E drive in DOSBox. I'm nerding out. I've never done this before. Ever. Hebrew Tutor. Yeah, I don't care about files and text files and things. Installation complete, restart. You're kidding. You've got to be joking. I've never done this before. How do you get sound out of a DOS box? You're joking. No Wave device that can play files. Thought that would happen. Right, close. I'm going to have to go online and figure out how to sound. Did that work? No Wave device, okay. I'm going to have to go online and figure out how to get sound out of it if I can. See ya, bye. Okay, all you John Wayne fans out there, it's time for class. Let's just try installing a driver like you used to. See if it works. Drivers, add, Sound Blaster, browse, 0, OK. 225. Interrupt does not match those. 227. Oh my gosh! Oh no! It worked. 227. I'm freaking out because everything's working. Working directory is invalid. Oh, which means you have to mount the... Okay, no, right. No, it's all good. I like hiccups. Oh my gosh, it's going to do that every time now. Help. C, users. Ipdata, local DOSBox. I know I can create a shortcut and this will be easier, but I'm nerding out. Hey, you can change the font size straight away now. Watch this. Wow. Right. So to use Hebrew Tutor, you'd have to mount E as C DOS 97.iso/TISO. This time don't close the config file, just move it to one side. That may actually speed up your processing cheese units. I lost the mouse. Hebrew Tutor. Okay. And did you mount it as E? Or are you just playing hopscotch instead? I mounted it as E, yes. There is no E. Okay, something's gone wrong. place it. Mount it first. I did. Mount EC-DOS 97. Maybe you do have to close the notepad file. But why would bananas have hippos? It's going to do that all day now. There's no E drive. .iso. Oh dear. What have I done wrong? She closed the... Of course I closed it. C, users, Nicola Redmond, app data, local DOSBox. Here's the thing, don't close the window. Oh. Mount E, C DOS. Where's that thing? Oh, it's image mount. Ah, image mount. E as C DOS 97 ISO -T. Alright, typical DOS commands. Give the wrong command and you've lost your toadstools all day long. Right, I've never done this before. I've also never had sound in DOSBox before. If this works, I'm gonna freak out. Oh my gosh. You're serious. Big smile.
Aleph sounds like the initial ah in the word all. In the beginning of words, it often takes the sound of the vowel that goes with it. In the middle and end of words, it is often a silent letter.
Oh no, that means I can use... Can you do it full screen?
Bait sounds like B in bet.
I can use my Hebrew Tutor software.
Gimel sounds like the G in get.
Oh man, how cool is that? And there's Windows 3.1 in full screen running on Windows 8.1. Band in the Box coming up next. Sorry, I just thought of something else. I've never done this before. I know I keep saying that, but seriously, I haven't done anything more than load Windows 3.1 just for no reason at all. Ports, mouse, desktop, keyboard, printers, international, color, Windows default, color palette. Now how do you, what date it is? Is that the right date? Yep. Freaky. How do you get this thing in 16 colors? I wouldn't push it. Desktop pattern. Color. Why don't you just install a... did they have graphics cards back then? I'm gonna have to go online and see how to get Windows running in more than 2 colours, if you can. Bye. Right, hopscotch on the Mickey Mouse hats. What are we doing? Loading Windows 3.1. Oh. What the hell? I haven't done anything. And it's gone into 16-bit mode. Eh?
Petach sounds like the A in far.
Oh, I changed the colour scheme, that's all. Okay. Hang on, you don't need that. You just go options. Oh, what'd you close the web page down for? Hang on. Oh, I thought I'd got it off by heart, so I closed the web page down. DOSBox, Windows 3.1, 16 color. And that takes you straight to the website. La 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 glug la 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 glug. Come on, you can scroll down. Who cares about Windows 10? I'll lose SoundForge if I upgrade. No, we've done the sound drivers. Here we go. File Manager. Windows Setup. In Windows 3 main Windows Setup. Main. Find main. There is no Windows Setup. Ah! There's a Windows Setup. Options, change system settings, VGA. Try that. Frick. C3. Help. It's in C3. C0. Oh. So I didn't need to download these 3 drivers. Whoa, dude. What the hell's going on? Did I just screw up DOSBox permanently? I do that sometimes. Oh no. Oh no. Not worth mucking around with settings and stuff. Reinstalling DOSBox. Back in a minute. Hello and welcome. Welcome. Hello and welcome. What? Oh, you had a box up. Ah. Hello and welcome to Fish on Fridays. We are now reinstalling all over again Windows 3.1. Because it won't go into... Oh, I've lost the mouse. Oh, now that I have just not only lost the graphics, I've lost the mouse now. Oh no, it's back. I ain't gonna touch it. Let's just not touch it. Drivers, sound, we'll add a sound card. See, where the hell's the sound cards at? One. C1 I presume. 225. Doesn't work. 227. Let's hope it goes doo-doo. Oh my, well, you're always surprised when it works, eh? Yeah. What's the story with help? So you're going to have to reinstall Hebrew. Oh. Man, okay. What if I've deleted them? I have, haven't I? I've deleted LogMake. Oh. I'm getting tired. Starting to forget what I'm doing. I wonder when Logma will be found. Waiting for Logma to be found. Now, what's 97? That's S3. Ah! We'll keep it called S3. That's audio drivers that you don't need anymore. Man, it's not responding. It must be a huge file to rename a directory with 5 files in it. Must be a huge ask. Oh, come on. Seriously? Why is Mozilla muted? This is gonna sit there hanging, and all I want to do is rename a folder with 5 files in it. Oh dear. No, I don't want to do that. Come on, why can't you just do something really simple? Well, while you're renaming a folder for half an hour, I'll install Loghouse again. Goodness. I can't see. The camera's in the way. King James. I remember it used to take like 2 minutes to do each one of these files. And now watch it, it's just impressive. Most impressive. Tense mood voice. Doing this for no reason at all. You can record it in full screen now. I wonder if you can push display on the webcam. It's not a webcam, it's a GoPro. Oh. Alright, GoPro then. Oh. Greek. How many times have you done this in your life? Since 1997? Say about 100. Hebrew. Logos Bible Atlas. Oh, who cares? Too tired to care. Small e. I haven't figured out what the E stands for yet. It's in good enough colour. I'm not going to alter the colours because it crashes every time you try and change it to VGA, SVGA, Super VGA, VGA with colours. Let's do a survey and send it away 20 years later. Right, that's it. Alright. Close that down. Still not happy, are they? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maximize that. Okay, options, auto arrange. Seriously, refresh is hidden where? Don't think it has a refresh. Okay, what am I doing? Installing fonts. Control panel, fonts, add. Have we got sound? Tofino. It's one way to find out. Right, do your thing. Maximize, maximize, edit. Save on exit, load on startup. Logos Bible Atlas is CLBA, is that right? File, exit. That would be CLBA, LBAEXE. Where's Logos gone? I can't see. Camera's in the way. Run Bible Atlas. Let's try it the other way around. I'm going to start using it now. Now that it's installed for the 65th time. Logos is C Logos. Run Bible software. Now I'll try it. All you do is just load anything. Jeremiah 27 should bring up Logos. It should. Yep, it does. Wow, what about in English? There it is in English. Alright, that is so cool. Now let's get Hebrew Tutor going again. How do you do that? Any idea which one of these is Hebrew Tutor? Nope. I take it that's Windows. I know where it is. It's there. Whew, that was quick. Well, exit. Restart Windows. Diddle-doo-doo. Nothing's happening. Doodle-doo-doo. Well, can't you just... What the hell? It's a bit silly, isn't it? Fine, right. If this works, that's it for the day. Done. I am too exhausted. Alphabet. Learn letters. Next letter.
Aleph sounds like the initial ah in the word all. In the beginning of words, it often takes the sound of the vowel that goes with it. In the middle and end of words, it is often a silent letter.
Wow, thanks for that piece of information. My dream would be to be able to record this using Cam Studio. But you can't. So that's it for today. We've got as far... Look, it's still trying to rename that. Oh my gosh. Task Manager. End Windows. Destroy Windows. File, run new task. Explorer. Can you do that? Yep, good. I'm allowed to, you see. Right, that's it. So, that's us done for the day. We've got 2 cameras recording me. And now we're going to go and have a nap. And then after our nap, we're going to edit all this nonsense and garbage. And we still haven't loaded Dark Forces. Coming up next episode, we're finally going to load Dark Forces on DOSBox. Now that hang on. Now that I've learnt how to mount a CD-ROM image, which the CD-ROM's disappeared, I can now... Oh, telephone voting. That's cool. Cool thing to watch. I can now mount the CD and install it from the CD. So that's something different that I wasn't even going to do that this episode. So the next episode, we're actually going to, for the first time ever, mount a game from an actual CD. I don't know how to do that. I might have to make this an ISO first and then do it. Or, I don't know. Anyway, I've got to have a sleep. I'm getting tired. Bye.